What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back at IAAI, and we actually haven't been back here in a while. I usually buy from Copart, but today we're at IAAI or something like that, Insurance Auto Auction, and we have bought a truck finally. Heck, what's going on? No. Corona? You drank Corona last night? What? I'm just messing with you. I know what the coronavirus is. We went to the bank, got a cashier's check. We came in there, we paid for it. So we are done. We actually got the car dispatched and it is on the way to us probably in one day. So we'll skip through all of this and we'll tell you how much we bought the truck for and what kind of truck it is in a second, right when it arrives. And we are back at the shop. It is day 2 and we are waiting on the delivery guy. He is almost here. He's about to pull up. I am so excited. I don't know if I showed you guys this Colorado, but this is my dad's Colorado. He's actually rebuilding and he's done a little bit of work to it. Did some suspension damage right there. He's already changed out a bunch of stuff and this thing is run and drive, but there is still a door and fender to be painted, put on, and this thing is ready to go. He's always wanted a Colorado and there you go, he has it. And if you guys are new to my channel, as you guys can see, there is a lot of big rigs / semi trucks around here, and I am all about them because I am a truck driver. I don't just rebuild cars and stuff like that all the time. I used to, tell you the truth, I used to own a tire shop, but now I'm all about them big rigs. This is a parts one right here. This is my dad's owner operator one. He's actually right there chilling. We have a banana truck, we call it, and then behind the banana truck is my 2019 Volvo rebuild. This banana truck is for parts. We call it banana trucks because, bruh, this doesn't look like a semi truck to you guys, but it is. And this is the new hood I already purchased for it. If you guys don't know nothing about this truck, I would recommend you guys going back to my channels, checking out all the episodes I have. I think I have about 10 of them right now, but I'm about to get something very special for this truck. It's a semi truck cab and we're going to be installing it, test driving this beast, and putting it on the road or selling it. I'm not sure yet. Alrighty, enough with all my craziness around here. What's going on at my shop? I just got a message and the driver is almost here with my truck. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, he could barely get up that. There she is. Oh, there she is, guys. There's my new truck. She looks kind of ratchet right now, but yeah, I got a nice little box. You think this thing costs maybe $2 grand? It's like a toolbox set. Oh man, there's probably no key. Oh wow, this is actually very nice. Yeah, oh, this is nice. Okay, got good tires. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good. How much was it to ship?
Should have been, what's it, 175 or something like that?
Okay. All right. Not bad, not bad. Oh man, I didn't even see this on the picture. Oh, it's plastic. Oh wait. Oh no. Frame went a little bit. Yeah, right there at the end it tweaked. I need to pull it. I need to just stick it on frame and just pull it back out straight and that's it. Man, did not see that. Taillight's broken. Oh wow. It's a nice toolbox, huh? I'm glad the tires are good. Like brand new, 50,000 miles. Yeah, we got NATOs on the front. Grapplers in the rear. Yeah, what sucks, there's no back seats, but it's an access cab. Yeah, but there's no seat belts either. You see, there's no seat belts.
Oh, okay.
That means you gotta install seat belts, seats. I don't think it's worth it. This is just utility truck and that's it. Yeah, you just roll it out. I mean, unless it'll start.
No, it won't start.
The battery's dead?
Yeah.
Battery is dead for some reason. I mean, it's 2 years old, maybe original battery, and it died. We're gonna jump it out of the trailer so we don't have to like bring up a box over here and stuff. Alrighty, we do have the small engine, the 2.7 I believe, and just paid my man here, and we are ready to start this thing. We're about to go get the jumper cables. I actually don't have a jump box for some reason. Check all my fluids. Check, is there coolant? Coolant is full. Very nice. Good sign already. What about here? Looks like there's something in there. Let's check the oil, and then we should be good to start it. Oh man, it's clean-ish, but there's oil in there. The only damage I see really is this plastic bumper got tore up here and right here, and this is textured, but I know I can upgrade the bumper to a painted one, so I can paint the bumper and match the whole truck. So I'm not sure why they come out with the black bumpers. They look pretty ugly. Toyota battery. 60-month warranty. I can get a brand new battery for free. Toyota. I don't know, 5-year warranty on the battery, but it's dead. Oh, we got power. Oh yeah, we got power. Let's see if it starts. Straight dead. Yeah, let's wait a little bit. I'm gonna turn off all accessories. Says 49,500 miles. Yeah, it says check charging system. Check it out, guys. I got lane assist in this Toyota Tacoma, the base model. What the heck? So there's a camera right here. You can actually, some of these models, you can click this and it'll actually keep you in the lane with 15 to 20 seconds off the steering wheel. So that is pretty awesome. All right, we're gonna have to let the battery charge a little bit. We're checking off this box, and check it out. There's actually a switch right here, and there's an LED strip that goes back. That's pretty sweet. I wonder how much this box actually cost. It's interesting. It's aluminum. It looks like it's lightweight. ARE. That's like the make of this. There's a serial number and everything. It's been about 4 minutes. Let's see if we can start this thing. Aye. Nothing. All right, while it's charging, let's check this out. Oh, there's a cover. Oh, I see what happened. Oh yeah, we got a jack, we got tools up in here. Any gold, any money? Anything good in there? Ooh.
$1,000.
$1,000?
Yes.
Oh, nice, nice. All right, third time is the charm. Come on. You can do it. Let's see. Aye. Yeah, we gotta change the battery. Alrighty, for some reason it is not starting, and it is definitely a battery issue. We're actually gonna jack the battery from this thing. It should be the same terminals. I think I got a negative and a positive. This battery actually will fit exactly. Is it 13? Oh man, hold on, let me get it. So it's kind of weird how a 5-year warranty battery is totally dead. So okay.
Заводи.
Fourth time is the charm. Fired right up. Awesome. Just the battery. Got no lights on dash. Wow. This is this is awesome. So I'm so excited. Let's see if AC works. That's very important in Florida. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, it's cold, guys. You feel it? She is a cold one. Moment of truth, transmission. Wow, she is a very, very smooth truck. No suspension damage, just that rear damage right there. And that's it. Oh my goodness, I got a steal of a deal, guys. Can you believe I even got a backup camera? What the heck? She is purring like a kitten. I think I got a great deal. And the price, the buying price is, I can't tell you right now. I'm sorry, I really can't. I will tell you in the next episode though. It's really exciting because if you guys want to guess, this is a clean title vehicle and it has 0 accidents reported. This vehicle with 50,000 miles, I think the cheapest one I found, a work truck like that with no back seats, the cheapest one I found was $16,700 from the dealer. So guys, put your guesses down below how much you think I purchased this truck, plus fees, plus delivery. Only damage we got is the front bumper. The frame is not touched on this side. There's a little bit of scrapes on the grill, but that can come off. The worst part about it is obviously this company, whoever owned it, this is a fleet vehicle from some sort of exterminating company, and they did take their logos off already, but I need to take off all this glue around the whole truck. It's gonna be kind of annoying, but I'm gonna show you guys in the next coming up episodes how to do this the right way and the easiest way. And I guess the worst damage we got is the rear bumper that I didn't even see. I don't know why. The pictures were kind of blurry. I'll show you guys right now, and I couldn't even see that, or I was just skimming through fast. And this frame damage right there, that kink. But I'm gonna actually, guys, show you how to pull that out very easily, Slavic style. So if you want to stay tuned, I'm telling you, this is gonna get really interesting. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to pull that frame. And then also this taillight, I didn't see in the pictures. Also, this taillight shouldn't be too expensive, probably $100 or so. And then cherry on the top, literally, we have this toolbox topper. And this topper is made by IAAI, which I have no clue about them at all. I'm gonna look up their company and see how much they sell them for, and then I'm gonna post this topper up for sale, trying to get some of my money back for this truck. If I get $1,000 for it, I'll be happy. Stay tuned for the other episode coming up. We're gonna be changing out the bumper, painting it. We're gonna be pulling out that frame, changing tail lights, and making this truck look brand new. It's gonna be almost a $20,000 truck when I'm done with it. So like always, guys, stay safe and stay tuned. Subscribe, like, buy my merchandise, and always stay blessed, guys. Take care of yourselves. Deuces.